In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can delete a Microsoft account. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you no longer need your Microsoft account, here's how you can permanently close it. Begin by opening up literally any browser. It doesn't matter what you do, and just open up Microsoft.com. And once you are here, you're going to want to go ahead and click sign in up in the top right corner and log into whatever account you want to delete. Mine just auto signed me in real quick, but sign into your account here. Now, once you do sign in, select your little profile icon, and then you're going to see an option for My Microsoft Account. Go ahead and select that, and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this, where you're specifically going to want to look for, account info on here. Go ahead and select that. Once you're on the Your Info tab, just scroll down and you're going to see an option down towards the bottom that says Close Account. Go ahead and select that, and it's going to redirect you to a page that looks something like this. It may ask you to verify your identity. Go ahead and do that if that is the case. But from here, just read through all the information carefully to make sure your account is ready to be closed. And then you'll ask how long Microsoft should wait before they go ahead and fully close this account for you. You have the option between 30 to 60 days, so choose one of those. But whenever you're done with this, just scroll down, select next, and then select close account again, and you will be good to go. Just continue through the process and mark your account for closure, and that is it. Your Microsoft account will be deleted after the selected waiting period. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.